Welcome to another episode of Trending Niches. In case you didn't know, I now also have a school community together with Adam Young called Merge Mastermind. It's for print-on-demand sellers. We share weekly evergreen niches as well as advanced AI prompts. We also do group coaching calls to get access to exclusive courses and custom GPTs. We already have over 100 members and the feedback and the engagement in there has been absolutely amazing to see. So if you want to join us, there will be a link in the description. So the first trending niche I'm going to share with you is one that you need to avoid. So don't sell in this. It's chicken jockey. There's tons of designs with this that are about a week old, and yeah, they're all doing very well. 100k to 200k BSR, and there's even some cross niching happening right here with Trump. But this is probably linked to the Minecraft movie. Maybe it's a main character from that film. I don't know, but yeah, definitely Minecraft-ish looking characters on this. Also, if you Google this, by the way, it comes up with the Minecraft movie. So definitely stay away from this trend. It is not safe. Another massive trend that I've seen that I would definitely personally avoid is this one with rolling stones, which at first glance appears to be something to do with Easter, and I think that's also why it is trending. But all of these have the name of a popular band in the design, right? It says Rolling Stones and all of these, and the titles or the listings all say something along the lines of the stones have been rolled. So they're clearly trying to hide the fact that they have a famous band name in the design right there. So not sure why this is suddenly trending for Easter. I can't remember seeing anything like this last year, but nevertheless, I would definitely not sell this because of the words in the actual design are a super famous band. And another dangerous trend that keeps popping up is Pink Pony Club. And I don't want anyone to fall for this because there has been a lot of social club designs, or generally phrases ending in club, doing well, and they're usually okay, except this Pink Pony Club one is actually related to an official song. That's where this trend stems from, so definitely avoid this. There is some really old listings right here showing and flying, but I keep seeing new ones pop up in the seller trends tab as well that start to sell well, and yeah, these are definitely related to a song, so do not sell them. They're not safe. The first trending niche that you can actually target this week is called Tarified. This is a very brand new trend. All of these listings, as you can see, saying published since 4 days or 3 days ago. We've got this kind of subtitle right here within Flying Research, which is really handy. There's a lot of good BSRs, and this is essentially, for anyone who doesn't understand it, a mixture of the words terrified and tariff, and it's related to what's happening right now in the US with tariffs. Now, I can see this trend being quite evergreen and it kind of reappearing again and again, even if it maybe slows down in the news. I'm sure there's going to be more things happening with tariffs at some point in the future. So yeah, this is interesting because most of these are just text-based designs. However, there is one right here that's kind of spinning the phrase, turning it into a joke, which I'm sure you could probably do that with other niches and topics as well. Then we have kind of the American politics theme or style applied to some of the designs as well, which always happens with political trends. So yeah, definitely brand new, fresh trend right here, and I could see it lasting for a while, or if not, also reappearing again in the future. Another really hot trend right now is Lab Week. This is happening from the 20th of April until the 26th of April, and it often kind of flies under the radar because it's, you know, happening at the same time as Easter and kind of gets drowned out by that. But as you can see, there's a ton of listings right here with a 100k BSR, some of which are extremely new. Like we've got one right here that's 14 days old and it's ranking amongst the top designs. Most of these were actually only published in the past 2 months, and as we scroll down, there's lots more new badges. So definitely an extremely popular niche right now. And you know, what are the designs like? I think you can clearly see they're very, very colorful. There's lots of elements in them, which usually I would kind of, you know, advise against that because they are almost too over the top for some kinds of t-shirt designs or niches out there, because there's so many elements and it's kind of hard to make out what they mean. But the main colors that resonate with people here is definitely lime green, purple, orange, very vibrant colors. We've got a lot of chemistry elements. We've got this van reappearing a lot, the peace symbol as well. So yeah, definitely a very fun looking niche to design for. And there's one right here that stands out. That's actually Vintage Sunset, which still has some of the same colors, right? Teal, orange, yellow, but it is very different to the other styles that you see right here. We've got a few of the messy hairband designs as well. One was ranking at the top too. So yeah, definitely a cool niche, very vibrant, very fun looking, and it's in very high demand and will be over the next week or 2 weeks. Next up, we've got a niche that's trending in Britain. Yes, I don't share those very often, but This time we've got one coming up on the 8th of May, and it's called VE Day, which stands for Victory Over Europe Day. It's the 80-year anniversary, which you're going to see in a lot of these designs. We've got the number 80 very, very big. There's a lot of British flags. There's a lot of roses, military. We've got airplanes. We've got soldiers. So yeah, definitely a very kind of patriotic niche right here for the UK, and it is going to sell well for probably about 2 to 3 weeks now, and that's when it's going to peak. So yeah, check this out. It's got 100k BSR throughout the top row. Now I will warn you that 100k in the UK, wait, that sounded weird, 100k BSR in the UK, that is not as good as 100k in the US, because there's not as much demand in the UK market, and BSR is a relative number, right? So basically, if something has this type of BSR right here in the UK, it will be selling a little bit less than the same BSR in the USA, which is, it's a bit tough to explain, but anyway, still a potential niche to really take off for you, because I mean, look at this, 8 days, published 8 days ago, and it's already started to sell. And most of these right here all have new badges, indicating that they were published less than 30 days ago. The surprising thing is, this is more of a British, European trending niche. I couldn't really find much in the US marketplace, but I uploaded some designs to this just recently, and I actually got my first sale in the US. So it's not impossible to get sales with this in the US either, even if you have British flags in your design. Another big trend from the past couple of weeks is the kind of penguin cross niche with resist, and in this case I'm not going to recommend just mixing resist with lots of different animals, which I would usually probably do. The reason this is trending with penguins is because it was tariffs kind of enforced on an island that's only inhabited by penguins. So anyway, that's why this was trending, and it's been going extremely strong. You can see most of these were listed about 10 days, 9 days ago, and this is still sitting at around 100k BSR for some of the top selling listings. Could see it probably going on once again, like the other tariff trend, going on for a while, or maybe reappearing again in the future. And another political trend that kind of blew up over the past 2 weeks is hands off. So there's a bunch of designs right here with sort of a list of things to keep the hands off, but if you scroll on a bit further, there's also some individual ones where you just have hands off with the Statue of Liberty. This kind of looks like an ideogram design, I think. What do you think? This kind of slightly slanted piece of text, the vintage sunset with the texture across the edge, looks very, very much like ideogram to me. Most of these all posted, if not all, less than 30 days ago, and there's a lot of strong BSRs right here from 100k to 200k listed at the top inside Flying Research. So definitely extremely popular niche, and this one I could also see this being more of an evergreen trend that sticks with us for a while. If you want to learn how to create social club t-shirt designs, which are very popular right now, then make sure to check out this tutorial next.